What if there was a place in Valle del Cauca where the Virgin Mary once was? What if there was a waterfall more than 80 meters tall? What if there was a portal to the beyond? What if all these were in the same place? And an hour and a half drive from Cali is El Caramel, a small town of very friendly people and cozy weather. Passing the town 15 minutes from there, and on the old highway to the sea, the entrance is found to a small, steep and mountain trail that leads to one of the most magical natural places that can ever be seen in our Valle del Cauca. Here is exactly where the tour begins. It will be 50 minutes going down the mountain until the mighty San Juan River. While you admire the gifts that nature offers, you will arrive in another 40 minutes to your union of the Digua River with the crystal clear water of the Cabas River, a clash of two bodies of water in which you will stop along the way to contemplate the landscape and maybe drink some of the pure and crystalline water. Spectacular birds, butterflies of every color, nature with all its splendor and magic along the way, and a few tourists enjoying the rivers. Half an hour more walking and finally, welcome to the Virgen's Manto, the largest waterfall in Valle del Cauca. The legend states that many years ago, the Virgin Mary appeared to some of the farmers in the area, and since then, the waterfall works as a portal to the beyond. The spiritual presence is pretty strong in the place, and all its water descends blessed for the inhabitants and wildlife of the region. Many religious people make their offerings at some time of the year, so their wishes can come true. Incredible? You should go and find out yourself.